So hi everyone, welcome to my channel The Hungry Bazaar, which is all about shopping and eating. And today I came to visit one shop called Hiraji. He's exclusive dealer in all types of clothes for men, and this comes near Chickpet metro station. So this Chickpet metro station, you can just check it out, and you have to come like this, and this is the way to his shop. And so just check it out the landmark. This is the Chickpet metro station, and you have to come like this, and you have to go straight. So you have to come like this, just check it out, and you have to take this. It comes right opposite to this, and so you have to come like this. His shop is coming here, you can just check it out. His shop name is Hiraji, and he's exclusive dealer in men's clothes, and he has amazing types of clothes. You can just check it out. This is the shop name. Hiraji name is Mr. Rajat, and he's the owner's son. So whenever you come here, you can meet him or his employees, and they'll guide you in all these things. This outlet, just check it out. Fully loaded shop. Amazing types of jeans he has. He has all types of shirts, check shirt, plain shirt, casual shirts, party wear shirt, designer shirts. He has all types of jeans, toned jeans. He has casual pants. He has track pant. And it's an amazing shop for buying clothes. And the best thing is he's giving you for wholesale price. And so do come to his shop, and I'm sure you're going to absolutely love it. And he's selling absolutely quality clothes. And just check out his shop. Amazingly designed, beautiful design shop, and I personally like the ambience. So amazingly he made the shop, and it looks so amazing, so fancy, so beautiful. And just check it out, this retro Bajaj Chetak scooter and all. So this all adds a lot of glamour to the shop. And so whenever you come here, you can meet Mr. Naveen. He's the manager of this outlet, and he will guide you in all these things. So right now Rajat is going to show you all the kinds of clothes he's having. So just check it out, and just check it out the jeans.
This is pure black jeans. 4 years, no colors. One of the best quality jeans in town. ये भी jeans पूरा stretch आएगा.
And this is brand Carbon. Just check it out.
ये भी दिखा.
Just check it out. This is his own brand. Amazing.
ये सब बाहर लेने जाओगे 3-4 हज़ार. दूसरा ब्रांड जैसे स्पाइकर हो गया, मुफ्ती हो गया, सबका 4-5 हज़ार तो मिनिमम रेट रहेगा ही. इधर मतलब आपको बहुत मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कॉस्ट में दे रहे हैं.
And just check it out, all types of colors in jeans. Is having blue, black, light blue.
पूरा बैंगलोर में मतलब पूरा ऑलमोस्ट चिकपेट एरिया में हमारा जीन्स के लिए ही नोन है. जीन्स का शॉप मतलब हिराजी. लोग वही प्रेफर करते हैं. हिराजी क्यों आते हैं? जीन्स के लिए. हमारा टॉप आइटम जीन्स ही है.
Yes, and that's the reason I'm making him speak again for jeans, because he has amazing collection. And personally, I've seen his shop always goes super houseful.
Yes.
And just check it out. That is also his logo over there, Carbon own brand. And he's showing you more jeans. Just check it out. Amazing jeans he's having. So इसमें भी हर तरह का वेस्ट का साइज आएगा ना सर?
28 से 50 पूरा मतलब 28 से 50 सब साइजेस. यू नेम इट यू हैव इट. 50 के ऊपर कोई आता ही नहीं है, तो पूरा साइजेस मिलेगा.
ओके, एंड जस्ट चेक इट आउट दिस वाइट. वाओ, ब्यूटीफुल जीन्स, अमेजिंग कलर, अमेजिंग पैटर्न. आई पर्सनली लव्ड इट.
ये 50 साइज जीन्स है.
ऑल राइट.
हाँ, मोर देन एक साइज में आपको 100 पीस के ऊपर हमारे पास स्टॉक है. रेडी स्टॉक 100 पीस के ऊपर. एवरीडे नया आता है, एवरीडे नया आता है, एवरीडे बिकता है.
एंड ही इज हैविंग टोन जीन्स आल्सो. जस्ट चेक इट आउट. वाओ,
द बेसिक टोन आप ऑफिस के लिए भी पहन सकते हो, बाहर भी पहन सकते हो.
and just check it out. Wow, amazing. And this is what I like, minimum tone. It's not too much, and what he said is absolutely right. You can wear in office also, you can wear anywhere normally, casually, for party wear also. So beautiful jeans. He has all types of jeans, and he's exclusive jeans dealer, and he's a very famous guy over here, and everybody knows he's very famous in jeans. And just check it out, this color also so nice, grey color. This all looks very nice, very, you know, quality kind of jeans. This all is, it looks very elegant. So do come here, and I'm sure you're going to love it. He has thousands of designs of jeans, and he's the own manufacturer.
तो ये कॉटन है, मतलब पूरा 100% कॉटन है. विथ स्ट्रेच आएगा ये. 7 कलर्स इन दिस पैटर्न. सब पैटर्न्स में आपको 7 कलर्स मिलेगा. और ये फॉर्मल पैंट है, तो फॉर्मल पैंट भी सेम मतलब 28 से 50 साइज सब कुछ मिलेगा. ऑल कलर्स, यू नेम इट यू हैव इट. एंड मोर देन 20 फैब्रिक्स वी हैव. ये आके पॉपकॉर्न फैब्रिक है, आप देख सकते हो.
So lycra also you have, right?
या लाइक्रा, स्ट्रेच, एवरीथिंग. एंड बेल्ट्स भी है हमारे पास. ये पूरा फॉर्मल बेल्ट है. जॉगर्स का उसका एक कलर है.
Just check it out. Amazing jeans, amazing cargo pants, beautiful pant, beautiful quality.
पूरा हमारा खुद का ब्रांड है, कार्बन नाम से.
And this is own brand Carbon. You can just check it out. He's the manufacturer of this brand, and The best thing is it's giving you for wholesale price, so do utilize all the offers. Same thing if you're going to buy in malls or Brigade Road, MG Road, you're going to pay triple price, but here you're getting everything for discounted price, wholesale price. And so do come to his shop. Just check it out, all the colors, beautiful colors, coffee color, jeans color, black pant. And he has a lot of types of t-shirt and shirts also. He's exclusive dealer, and right now he's showing you that. Just check it out. And just check it out, this t-shirt, what an amazing print and what an amazing design. And the entire color pattern is so nice, and I like all these designs and all. It looks very nice, very fancy and cool.
ये जो प्रिंट्स है पूरा रिफ्लेक्टिव प्रिंट्स है.
Okay.
अगर रात को कुछ चमक पड़ता है तो इस पे हाईलाइट होगा ये.
Okay, like radium.
हाँ, रेडियम जैसे.
Okay.
ये भी मतलब रिफ्लेक्टिव प्रिंट्स है, रेडियम प्रिंट्स है. पार्टी जाओगे तो ये पूरा रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा, ब्लू लाइट पे सब रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा ये.
Wow. Just check it out, this pattern. Simple but still so elegant and wonderful, and all these words and all.
पूरा फैशनेबल प्रोडक्ट्स एट वेरी अफोर्डेबल प्राइसेस. वेरी
Yes.
अफोर्डेबल प्राइसेस. थैंक यू.
And just check it out, this.
तो नाइट पैंट्स दिखा देता हूँ आपको मैं. टी शर्ट्स में और बहुत सारा वैरायटी है, मतलब कितना दिखाऊँ.
Wow. Just check it out, this track pant, so nice. And just check it out, this design of arrow, little bit black on both the side. This all looks very nice. You can
कलर आपको ये कहीं मिलेगा नहीं ऐसा कलर, मतलब कलर फैब्रिक जो भी है टॉप A1 है.
wow,
ये आके ड्राई फिट है स्पोर्ट्स वेयर के लिए.
very nice.
फुल स्ट्रेच. ये भी हमारा खुद का ब्रांड का कार्बन.
Wow,
वेरी सिंपल, वेरी नीट, क्लीन.
class.
मतलब कहीं भी बाहर भी पहन के जा सकते हो, वर्क वेयर के लिए भी पहन सकते हो. अभी तो क्या वर्क फ्रॉम होम है तो ये आराम से पहन के. हमने मतलब एक अगर डेनिम कुछ भी बनवाना है तो उसमें हर एक चीज़ हाईलाइट करके बनवाते हैं.
Yes.
मतलब इट शुड बी एलिगेंट, नीट, क्लीन, फैशनेबल चाहिए.
No doubt.
ये देखो शॉर्ट्स है, कार्गो शॉर्ट्स है.
Wow,
फैब्रिक देखिए इसका,
very nice.
A1 फैब्रिक है.
Very nice quality. And do come to his shop, and I'm sure you're going to love it. He has a lot of types of design. Yes, just check it out. Lot of types of shorts here.
पूरा है, पे करते हैं.
Yes.
ये देखिए स्वेट शर्ट.
Wow, amazing. Beautiful t-shirt, just check it out, full sleeves, amazing it looks, so beautiful design and so classy. And just check it out, wow,
विंटर वेयर भी रखते हैं हम.
stunning.
हाँ, तो विंटर वेयर में और ज़्यादा कलेक्शन मिलेगा. अभी तो बहुत लिमिटेड कलेक्शन.
And just check it out, the design that he's doing with the colors. He's playing yellow color, light gray color, and all the printings. This all takes a lot of time, but he has designed in amazing way.
ये पूरा वेडिंग कलेक्शन है. वेडिंग है, फंक्शन हो गया, एनीथिंग जो भी फंक्शन है घर में तो आप.
Absolutely stunning, such a classy design. Just check it out, this shirt, beautiful, absolutely beautiful and amazing, royal it looks. Just check it out, all these buttons and all, stunning. Wow, just check it out, this shirt, so amazing. I always used to think only girls has a lot of types of clothes, but just check it out, this place has changed my mindset. Such a beautiful design of clothes he's having for party wear and all. Just check it out, wow,
इसमें देखिए सब हैंड
beautiful.
ब्रोच.
Just check it out, all this little bit kind of design adds lot of, you know, glamour to the shirt. And just check it out, this white color also.
दिस इज प्योर लिनन शर्ट.
All right.
मतलब जो मिनिस्टर्स लोग जो पहनते हैं ना, जो बाहर 4000 5000 में मिल रहा है, हमारा इधर सिर्फ 1200 रुपये.
So this is
रेट बोल रहा हूँ, लेकिन जो 5000 का इधर 1200 में मिल रहा है.
So for 1200 he's getting, and all these big people, ministers, MP, they wear this linen fabric. And just check it out. the
100%
fabric.
लिनन. 100% लिनन.
Absolutely, you know, क्या बोलते हैं, कड़क like biscuit. Very nice. Just check it out, this shirt also so nice. You know, cross design, so nice. It looks very classy, elegant, and looks very beautiful. So right now, just check it out. How many clothes I'm taking? So many kinds of t-shirt and jeans I've purchased. So everything is getting built because I personally loved it. So I'm taking from here, and I personally love the collection he's having, and I could not control myself. So I'm taking all this, and I got for wholesale price. So right now he's billing all these things, and it's getting ready. Just check it out. And just check out the crowd over here. So many people come to the shop. Just check it out, the crowd. It's just, I think, the time is also just 2:30. It's already full. Lunchtime also it's full. Just check it out, the crowd. So many people, they come to shop because they love his product. And just check out. And my bill is also ready. Just check it out. My clothes, everything is ready. And just check it out. My entire whatever clothes has been selected. Right now I'm taking. I've handed over the bill, and my bag is ready. And I personally love this, and I will come to this shop again to buy t-shirts and shirts because I personally loved it. And do come to Hiraji, and I'm sure you're going to absolutely love this shop.